Ras Leela. Considered as one of the state festivals of Assam, Ras Mahotsav or Ras Leela is usually celebrated on the day of the Purnima, full moon, of autumn season in the month of October-November, Kati Aghun. It is a popular form of folk theatre in the regions of Mathura, Vrindavana in Uttar Pradesh, especially during the festivals of Krishna Janmashtami and Holi, etc. Ras Leela, celebrated in parts of West Bengal, Manipur, etc., is popular among all sections of people, irrespective of caste, creed, and religion. Ras Leela in Manipur is unique not only in terms of character but also in costume. The Ras Leela or Ras dance or Krishna Tandava is part of the traditional story of Krishna dances with Radha and her gopis. The Indian classical dance of Kathak evolved from Ras Leela of Braj. The term Ras meaning aesthetics and Leela meaning act, play or dance is a concept from Hinduism which roughly translates to play Leela of aesthetics Ras, or more broadly as dance of divine love. It is believed that Ras Leela takes place one night when the gopis of Vrindavana, upon hearing the sound of Krishna's flute, sneak away from their households and families to the forest to dance with Krishna throughout the night, which Krishna supernaturally stretches to the length of one kalpa, a Hindu unit of time lasting approximately 4.32 billion years. The romantic love between human beings in the material world is seen as a reflection of the soul's original, ecstatic spiritual love of Krishna, God, in the spiritual world. According to Bhagavata Purana, whoever faithfully hears or describes the Ras Leela attains Krishna's pure loving devotion. In Assam, Ras Mahotsav, celebrated in places like Majuli, Nalbari, Hauli, Palashbari, etc., deserve special mention due to their popularity and uniqueness. Ras festival in Assam has a close relationship with the historic mobile theatre, a form of popular theatre exclusive to the states over the years. Till pre-COVID days, shows performed by such theatres used to draw large audience during the festival. Assam Downtown University urges people to visit Assam and Manipur to be part of the celebrations of the autumnal festival and experience the great Indian hospitality and cultural diversity.